Installing FieldLogic Tools. First, you must install FieldLogic Tools on your handheld device. In this example, we are using a tablet running the Android operating system, so we will be going to the Google Play Store to download the app. If you have an iOS device, you will need to download the app from the Apple Store, and if you have a Windows device, you can download the app from the Microsoft Store. Select the Google Play Store icon. Select Search from the menu bar. In the search field, enter Census FieldLogic. It will be recognizable by its green 3-bar icon. Select Install. Once installed, select Open. The app will now prompt you to answer a few questions. First, allow FieldLogic Tools to take pictures and record video. Select while using the app. This enables FieldLogic Tools the ability to scan barcodes. Second, allow FieldLogic to access this device's location. Again, select while using the app. This allows FieldLogic Tools to record the GPS coordinates when installing a new smart point. And lastly, select Allow to allow FieldLogic Tools to find, connect to, and determine the relative position of nearby devices. The next step is to configure FieldLogic Tools. In order to do this, you will need to obtain a configuration file. The options to obtain this file are to scan a QR code, connect to the hub server, download it from the cloud, or import the file. In this example, we will be scanning the QR code. To do this, from your FieldLogic Hub application, select Manage Devices in Cloud Hub. This will open a new browser window and prompt you to log into your cloud account. If you do not have a Cloud Hub account, contact Census support to set one up for you. Once logged in, you will need to add a device. Select Add Device. Give your device a unique name by entering it in the Device Name field. Assign your device a configuration from the list of configurations. In this example, there is only one from which to choose, so we will use it. Select Add Device. Move the browser window so you can see both screens. From the FieldLogic Tools screen, select Scan QR. Scan the QR code. Upon scanning the QR code, the system will now register, synchronize, and download the configuration. To complete the process, you will need to enter a FlexNet user ID. Enter any number from 1 to 127 and select Next. The device is now ready to be used in the field.